In front of me is CUBOT X19 S, and let me show you how to change the date and time on this device. So at first, just open the settings, then find and select System and go to Date and Time. And here just reach Automatic Date and Time, where you can switch off Automatic Setup. Obviously, just click on Off. And now you can smoothly set date and time manually by yourself. As you can see, from now on it's up to you what date and time it currently is. It's the same with time zone. Smoothly turn it off, the automatic one, and then select one from the following list. So at first you can choose the region and then time zone. And this is it. Obviously this panel also allows you to change the format of your clock, so you can use automatic 24-hour format or use 12 or 24-hour format, as you prefer. And this is it. That will be all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.